Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. H MATLAB. So this is the second video for the October project. Just a quick review on the project. Uh, for this project, you're going to create a problem for each day of the month, and the rubric is down below. You're required to have at least 30 problems, 30 solutions, and the decoration inside of each box, or you can make a big decoration of the whole thing as one single picture. Okay, uh, the requirement you have on the equation, you need to have at least 5 one-step equations, 5 multi-step equations, and 5 variable on both sides. Last time I just stopped at the multi-step equation. So basically, I make the project is easier for you. You don't need to do 5 variable on both sides. All right. The reason why we're doing this, at least five, I want to make sure that you have to do at least 5 hard problems, not all easy problems. Okay. So, since it's 31 problems, I walked you through 6 problems last time. 6 problems. If you need more time, you can go home and rewatch those. You're allowed to use those 6 problems as the example and also the credit for your projects. For today, I'm going to walk you through probably, uh, my goal is 5 on one-step equation and 5 on multi-step equation. Let's see how far can I go, and then we're going to talk about that. All right. What I have on the backside of my October projects is from the last video. I still keep it there, and there's no reason to erase it. You're allowed to use this one too. All right, so I'm going to go to the side. Now we have, we're going to create 5 more. Okay, a quick review. Steps is on the side. Step 1, choose a number, choose a date. Okay, so to make it convenient and easy to follow, on my screen right now, I can have number 4. So I'm going to choose number 4, again, because it's convenient for me to show you on the screen. 4, then you box it. All right. Step 2, what do you want to do with this? You can add, multiply, subtract, or divide. All right. Let's say I choose to add. Okay. 4 plus 5. I choose to add with number 5, which is 9. All I need to do is replace the box by x plus 5 equal to 9. So that is our problem. Okay. So write the box as the x, yes. Write the problem into the calendar. We're going to write this into the calendar as the date for x plus 5 equal to 9. Then we're going to solve for x by subtract 5 on both sides. X equal to 4. And again, the goal of this one is so the answer matching with the date. That's it. Alright, follow one is the 11. 11 box. Now I'm going to ask myself, what do I want to do with it? Let's say I'm minus 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. So step 2, replace the box by x. X minus 6 equal to 5. Okay, so go to the date 11. X minus 6 equal to 11. We're going to solve for x by at 6. I'm sorry, x minus 6 equal to 5. That's just our problem. X minus 6 equal to 5. So we add 6 on both sides. X equal to 11. And again, answer matching with the date. Now I'm going to go to 18. Okay, I'm going to do differently this time since I already asked subtract. We're going to do it multiply. Let's say multiply by 3. Excuse me. 18 times 3, 24. Remember, right now 4, remember 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 54. Alright, So then we're going to replace box with x, so that will be 3x equal to 54. And we put that in the box, 3x equal to 54. Then all we have to do is divide by 3 on both sides, x equal to 18. Answer matching with the date. We good. So that is example 3. I'm going to go to the next one. Let's say 10. Okay, so that will be 10 box. I already add, subtract, multiply. Now I'm going to do is divide. Divide by 5. Let's say divide by 5. That will be 2. Alright, so to make it look nice, so first of all, box turn into x. Divide by 5, I can put it over 5 like this. It's also represent for division. X over 5 equal to 2. Okay. Since in a division, we have to do the opposite, but multiply by 5 for both sides. So that will give you x equal to 10. Alright, you see how fast I'm doing the problem because it's kind of the concept is getting easier and easier. And I hope that you should get it by now. You already have like 7 examples, 3 from last time and 4 this time. Since I say that I'm going to go over 5, so I'm going to give you one more. Let's say 17. I can do 17, it's not that bad. So 17, we need to do all the multiply, divide, subtract, addition. So we can go one more round. I'm going to say add 3 to make it easier for me. That will give me 20. So replace the box by x plus 3 equal to 20. So at 17, you have x plus 3 equal to 20. So all you need to do is subtract 3 on both sides. X equal to 17. There you go. Okay. This activity also show you that you can create your own problem and then solve it through. You're supposed to have the answer matching with what you're choosing at the first time. Okay. So this is let you create your own problem and check your own outcome. Uh, so you can create your problem at home and practice solving multi-step equation. All right, we're gonna go down to multi-step equation. Pretty much is the same concept, but you're gonna do two things in the same problem. Uh, Since I have 3 is empty right now, I'm gonna pick 3. That's what I'm gonna work with. 3 in the box. I'm gonna do two things, two operation here. So let's say I multiply 3 by 5. Alright, then my answer, I want to add it with uh, something. Let's say 2. Alright, then we're going to walk it through. Uh, 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So the whole thing will equal to 17. Alright, what we're going to do is rewrite the box as x. So you will have 5x plus 2 equal to 17. We write that in the box. 5x plus 2 equal to 17. Okay, so to solve for x first, you're going to move the 2 away, subtract 2 on both sides. So that will give you 5x equal to 15, and divide by 5 on both sides. You will see x equal to 3. Again, matching with the date. Okay, uh, look at the calendar. The first thing you're going to do is subtract 2. Look at the last thing we do on solving for 17. The last thing you do is add 2. So it's to reverse the process. The last thing you do in evaluate the expression is the first thing you're going to do in solving the equation. Alright, so next one, I'm going to choose 2. 2 in the box. Then ask myself, what do I want to do with it? I can divide by 2 on both sides. And then plus with a number, let's say 4. Alright, 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus 4 would be 5. So the whole thing equal to 5. And then what's your next step? We write the box as x divided by 2 plus 4 equal to 5. It will look nicer when you put x over 2 plus 4 equal to 5, like this. Again, division can turn into fraction. X over 2 plus 4 equal to 5. X over 2 plus 4 equal to 5. Okay, so all we're going to do is subtract 4 on both sides. That will give you x over 2 equal to 1. And then multiply by 2 on both sides, x equal to 2. Alright, and you don't like that. That's it. That's the second example for a multi-step equation. Okay, by now you should know how to do it. You can either pause the video and work it out, or you can keep going and finish 3 more examples. I'm going to choose 9. Okay. 9, I like to divide it by 3 because 9 divided by 3 evenly. Let's say this time we're going to subtract 1, for example. So that will be 9 divided by 3 is 3 minus 1 will give me 2. So that equal to 2. Replace the box by x. Division turn into fraction. Minus 1 equal to 2. X over 3 minus 1 equal to 2. X over 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So we're going to add 1 on both sides. So that will give you x over 3 equal to 3. So in the division, you multiply by 3 on both sides. X equal to 9. Alright. I'm sorry I may sound really sick in the video because I have allergy really bad. I've been taking a lot of allergy pill, but it doesn't help. Alright, 16. 16. Put it in the box. What do you want to do with it? It's a big number. I still like to divide it. Divide by 4. Because I know 16 divided by 4 is evenly. It's going to be 4. Let's say I want to add 3, for example. So 4 plus 3, that would be 7. Sorry, 7. Okay. And we replace the square as the x over 4 plus 3 equal to 7. X over 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Alright, so solve for x, you're going to subtract 3 on both sides. So x over 4 equal to 4. And then we multiply by 4 on both sides. X equal to 16. Okay, that is the fourth example on the multi-step equation. And we have one last one. Let's say I pick 23. Okay, 23. 23 is a prime number, so there's nothing I can do to divide it except 33 or 1. So I'm going to do is multiply. I'm going to multiply by 2. I don't want to pick too big number because it's going to be a lot of work for me. 2, and then maybe subtract with one some number. Let's say 10. It's always easiest. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 46 minus 10. That will give me 36. This equal to 36. Okay, replace the box by x. So that's going to be 2x minus 10 equal to 36. 2x minus 10 equal to 36. So you're going to add 10 on both sides. That will give you 2x equal to 46. And then divide by 2 on both sides. X equal to 23. Again, is matching with the date. Alright, that is the 10th example for your project. So we have 6 last time, 10 this time is 16. So I basically did half of the projects for you. So all your job right now is complete it, finish it up, Sorry for that. Sorry about that. Finish the projects. Make sure you put your name, your period. I know some of you left your paper last time. If by period 3 right now, you guys didn't do really good last time. Please, please, please help me get things done. Okay, your grade is really important. And if you do good with the sub, you keep my classroom clean, you have a reward for it. Okay. Overall, last time, I was have a meeting on the next door. I proud of you guys. All period. Period 3, something to say anything bad. It's just me. My classroom is not as good as I want it to be. I hope that you can do me a favor, do it better this time. Clean up after yourself. All right. I will see you tomorrow. On Tuesday. Okay. Please finish this at home. Coloring, decorating. All right. Thank you everyone for watching, and have a great day.